In this video, we will explore 3 of the best cool font applications available for your Android device. Let's dive in. Cool Font Fancy Text. Cool Font Fancy Text is a fantastic application for Android that allows users to create stylish and unique text with various cool fonts. With this app, you can easily customize your text by choosing from a wide selection of creative and decorative fonts. Whether you're looking to make your social media posts stand out or simply want to add a personal touch to your messages, Cool Font Fancy Text is the perfect tool for you. The app provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy to generate cool and eye-catching text designs in just a few simple steps. Express your creativity and make your texts more visually appealing with Cool Font Fancy Text. Stylish Text Cool Font. Stylish Text Cool Font is an excellent Android application designed for users who want to enhance their text with trendy and stylish fonts. This app offers a wide range of cool and unique font styles that can help you create visually appealing text for various purposes. Whether you're crafting a social media post, designing a cool logo, or simply looking to spice up your messages, Stylish Text Cool Font has got you covered. The app comes with an intuitive interface that allows you to easily select and apply different font styles to your text. Stand out from the crowd and make a statement with your text using Stylish Text Cool Font. Fancy Cool Font. Fancy Cool Font is another top-notch Android application that lets users explore a collection of fancy and cool fonts to elevate their text designs. Whether you want to add a touch of elegance to your invitations, create stunning graphics, or make your social media posts more attractive, Fancy Cool Font provides you with the tools to do so. The app offers a diverse selection of font styles, ranging from classy to playful, giving you plenty of options to express your creativity. With a simple and straightforward interface, Fancy Cool Font makes it easy for users to experiment with different fonts and create eye-catching text effortlessly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.